So guys, here I am with the most stunning and knowledgeable person here, Dr. Riaz. So how was your day, Doctor?
It was a nice day. It's, winter has started a little bit, not that much. And as you know, Karachi is a port city, and the weathers are not that much extreme every day.
Yes.
So yeah, the fans are switched off, and
So how?
people are going to start
What is
diseases.
your message to people who are getting a lot of diseases and they are,
Oh yes. Karachi is is thickly populated, and apart from that, it's a polluted city. You know the industries on the north, west, and the south. In every direction, we have industry, and they produce a lot of smoke. And on the super highway, you must have gone there. You must have seen there's a cement factory over there, and they are too far. But within the city, there is a lot more industries which are producing a lot more smoke, and
and the air
big-
becoming the medium, and the air
air
becoming the
becoming the
medium.
medium
Yes.
and becomes very much polluted. Number
Yeah.
one, and the biggest source apart from the industries is the heavy traffic.
Okay.
Having the broken silencers of the rickshaws and the taxis, the old model cars, they don't have that much good quality of what you call it. The smoke comes out.
Okay. Oiling.
Proper
Maybe.
oiling, the engines are old, they are not reconditioned.
Okay.
It's not up to the international standard. The smoke from the cars and the industries, it's caused a lot of trouble. And the people going to the central city, we call it Sadar normal, in normal Urdu. Sadar is a place
Mm.
where there's too much traffic jam.
Mm-hmm.
The smoke comes out of the cars,
Mm.
buses, rickshaws, and broken silencers of these all vehicles. It's, that was lots of trouble.
Okay.
So the allergic rhinitis is the problem. We call it nazla in Urdu. It's the rhinitis, running nose, and every second individual suffers from that. So it's really important to.
What kind of patients you are witnessing a lot? What kind of patients?
If you go to any hospital, any clinic, any dispensary, the people suffer from the same problem mostly, and rhinitis, and after it becomes a sore throat, and if you don't take care of it properly, it becomes throat infection.
Okay.
So every individual who come back from their work or jobs to their houses, they have do steam inhalation. When you boil the water, you put in the Vicks in it, maybe the simple boiling water, and you just try to inhale that fume of it. So it clears your sinuses and the nostrils.
What are the other remedies apart from
So if you're it's
wearing a
un-
mask while driving, while
yeah,
riding a bike?
you must have seen people wearing that gauze mask. It's a protective sort of mask. It's a good thing, but it often looks odd. And in Karachi, there's people don't wear helmet as well. So it's
So we see a lot of dust. We see a lot of pollution and air pollution and noise pollution here in Karachi in
Yeah,
Pakistan. Although there are a lot of good things here in Karachi in Pakistan, people love to visit here. But still, we have a lot of disadvantages as well. We have a lot of problems as well. So, what are your thoughts about the weather of Karachi? And what are I just love the weather of the overseas. The
even the
countries.
other provinces.
Yeah, like London. I loved it. I have never seen
Okay.
any pollution out there. So, what is the reason? What things they are
Actually,
doing?
you're talking about Europe.
Yeah, I'm talking about.
UK, London, and
Yeah.
the rest of the Europe. Actually,
Maghreb.
the government has taken good steps regarding taking care of the pollution, taking the cars and the smokes in the industries. So they have rectified all the problems long ago. So they don't
There-
suffer from these
Although
situations.
there were a lot of buildings out there which is building,
Yeah,
still
yeah,
we
yeah.
can't see a katra of sand over there.
Yeah, that is
I have never seen sand or something like
dusty. You have to understand the geography of Pakistan and the Europe. It's a big difference. Pakistan exists in South Asia.
Okay.
And the region where we're living in, it's province of Sindh. It's major part of it's desert or semi-desert. So you can't compare the desert area from the green area. Even you cannot compare Sindh from the northern province of Punjab. It's already green. Southern Punjab has got some sand areas, but there's no comparison of Europe geographically there's no comparison. You can compare Karachi to the Middle East, Saudi Arabia, UAE.
I think it's.
Kuwait.
I think the point is covered, and I want you to jump over another thing,
Yeah, what's
and
that?
which is there's a quote, there's a saying,
Mhm.
which is quite I would say quite childish.
No, I'll take your question.
Okay.
I'll take your question. The
Um,
children are watching us too.
that's a very cool thing. I love your sense of humor. Yeah. So doctors used to treat treat their patient as customers. Your thoughts about this line?
That's really sad. That's a bad thing you just pointed out. And most of the genuine doctors, what I think, the doctors I know of my field, they're not really that much. The people who are fake doctors or quacks, they are really greedy and they don't think about the humanity. So they think of all about the money and they really don't know the hazards and the side effects of the medicine injections. So I can't really say. I don't think that every doctor is greedy. Any of the genuine doctor tries to help the patient or an individual, whether of any caste and creed or a religion. So that's a very good thing. And but they are black sheeps.
Any doctors you wanna name who are good enough, who are very talented, and they are genuine from heart? You wanna name them?
I would like to name.
Because through this medium we have to do only positive things.
You know him. I'm gonna name a huge personality. That's the head of the SIUT.
Okay.
You know his name?
No.
You should be knowing his name. He's running a very big setup. People who suffer from renal disease, I mean the kidney disease, and he takes care of the patient very well. So I'll give you some time. You can think over his name. Okay, that's okay.
So what about the audience?
They must have understood so far.
Okay, they are intelligent than me. You are saying it indirectly. Okay.
So it's a
SIUT.
question to you and the audience as well.
So there is a question to you, audience, that SIUT chairman, what is his name? You can leave your comment below this video, and I will try to answer every question. I will take the answer from my mentor, and will leave my answer to your questions. So yeah, and if you have any questions regarding doctors, regarding hospitalization, regarding diseases, remedies, you can ask free. You can ask freely in the comments below, and I will ask.
And you can give my number to the patient, to the people as well.
Yes, I will.
They are always. I welcome their calls, their emails and calls, and they can contact me directly regarding any medical issue.
Okay.
And since I'm